Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we are going to understand the program which helps us in finding the kth largest element in a binary search tree. First, let us take an example. In the following BST, if k is equal to 3, then the output should be 14, as 14 is the third largest element in the BST. And if k is equal to 5, then the output should be 10. Now, let us see the approach. The idea is to do reverse in-order traversal of binary search tree. The reverse in-order traversal traverses all nodes in decreasing order. While doing the traversal, we keep track of count of nodes visited so far. When the count becomes equal to k, we stop the traversal and print the key. Now, let us see the algorithm. Let us also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. We assume that we have to find the third largest element in the binary search tree. So, we pass the root node which is 8 and 3 to k in the kth largest function. Next, we take a count variable c which we initialize to 0. Then we pass the root k and c to the kth largest util function. Now, in the kth largest util function, we check if root is null or c is greater than equal to k. As both are false, we pass the right child of 8 which is 10 using a call stack. Again, as root is not null and c is not greater than k, we pass the right child of 10 which is null. So now root will point to null. Now as root is null, we return to the previous call. Execution for node 10 is resumed and now we increment count. So c will be 1. Since c is not equal to k, we pass the left child of 10 which is null. As root points to null, we return to the previous call and finish execution for node 10. Execution for node 8 is resumed and now we increment c, so c will be 2. Since c is not equal to k, we recur for the left subtree. So now root will point to 7 which is the left child of 8. As root is not null and c is not greater than k, we pass the right child of 7 which is null. Since root points to null, we return to the previous call and increment count. Now c becomes equal to k and the second if condition gets satisfied, so we print root's key and return. So 7 will be printed. Hence, the third largest element is 7. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.